Hi guys, I just really quickly wanted to show you how I make my 90-degree corners when I sew zippers. So I know a lot of people just simply fold this over like so, stitch a line of stitching here, and then when you pop it open, you do have a 90-degree corner, but you also have this somewhat unsightly line here with the fold. So I don't like doing that. I prefer just, oh, let me center that for you, just folding this part under and lining this up edge to edge with the zipper teeth, so that it's kind of invisible. Instead, I think that looks prettier. So instead we have the 90-degree on the back. However, this can be a little tricky to kind of sew down. So instead of sewing it down, I usually use my trusty lighter. And then I just take my lighter and I melt the edge. Oh, that was hard to do on the phone. Melt the edges of the zipper, and then I take my thongs and I just kind of clamp them on and press the hot edges of the zipper together so that it stays in place. And this way you have this really neat 90-degree turn, which is kind of looks like it was made that way. On the back it looks like that, and the edge is really neat. It won't unravel. And you don't have to worry about stitching it in place. And then you just do the same thing on the other side. So I wanted to show you how the fold is done. So you can see there where the fold is. You kind of just take this, fold it under, and then just grab it there. And there you have it. I just thought I'd show you because it's so much more convenient than trying to stitch these edges down. Hope you're having a good day, guys. Ciao!